Chevrolet Spark, and I'm going to show you how to lay down the rear seats of the vehicle so you can have a little bit more cargo space. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. As you can see, I'm in the rear of the vehicle with the door open. All right, the rear door open. I'm just going to look inside, and you see there's a lever. There's one on both sides right here. All right, right here. I'm going to take this, raise it up. You see it's already been raised up a little bit. I'm gonna put it back into place. All right, see, I'm gonna raise this up to where the red is exposed, and I'm able to pull it forward. All right, you might want to take the seats, all right, and lower down the headrest, and then lay it down flat like this. All right, you see? Look at that. You have all that space in here for the cargo. Look, more cargo space. I'm gonna go over to the other side and do this one right here. I'm gonna take this same button, raise it up, pull the seat forward. All right, lower the headrest, and look at all of that space right there. You could fit some takeout food back there. That's probably about it. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and put this back into place. Let me show you what it looks like from the back though. Go ahead and open this up. It's not locked, so we're not gonna show you what it looks from the back right now, but I'm gonna go ahead and click this back into place so you can see what it looks like. Clicks back into place, the red goes away, clicks, see the red right there? Make sure you have the seat belt up, put it like that, the red goes away. All right, let me know if you have any questions. That's how you lower the rear seats. Let me know.